Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Yes, another unboxing, your favorite thing in the world. I know, you want to see what's in here? I've got 81 items from Bulq.com. They're all supposed to be brand new. Are they? You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so this is a Bulq.com case, toys and games. I know I've been doing a lot of toys and games, but this one I'm really excited about because it has a toy called a Fuggler. Yes, you must say that properly. Don't say it wrong. Barbies and some other things in here. 81 items, brand new condition is what the condition is supposed to be, so let's see if that's actually true. I paid $99 for it, $30 to ship it to me, so I'm all in at $129, which makes each item average out to be $1.58. So let's get in here. The reason why I'm excited to see the Fuggler toy is I blew out of them selling them merch fulfill on Amazon. And so if they're in here, the same ones that I sold before, I know I can be guaranteed to sell them. Ooh, I'm already excited because I've been having people ask me about frozen things. And look at that. Frozen tea set. Got one teapot with lid, 2 teacups, and saucers. Wow, that's nice. Looks like I got 2 of those.
Is that just plastic or is that real?
No, it says ceramic tea set.
Ceramic tea set?
Yep. But actually is a usable tea set.
Did you get another one?
Yes, I did. I got 2 of them, see? And then I've got Angry Birds. Look at those. I'm trying to get it so that it doesn't tip over. Sorry. Angry Birds. Those are cool. Yeah, Angry Birds game pack. What does it do? Scan with the app for a preview. Okay. Revive your Angry Birds triumphs. Okay, so you can add these to some sort of a game. All right, let's see what else is in here. You've got mail. Cute little mailbox. It's got a little heart on it. Probably for Valentine's Day, yeah. Good guess. That's kind of fun, though. Here's a Crayola piggy bank. It's empty, I believe. Oh, it's still sealed. Nothing in it. But Crayola. Let's see. This is, ooh, a Paw Patrol Imagine Ink Mess Remarker. So this is basically the equivalent of a Color Wonder. So it only works on this coloring book. So if you have a toddler stuck inside the house, that's perfect. Ooh, here's a Barbie. You can be anything, Barbie.
What is she in that?
She is
a cook?
Yeah, she's got a cook thing and a dog, little puppy dog for a dog walker.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So, alrighty. We've got Jurassic World. One of the little... We actually have the big versions of these for sale.
You got some kind of gyro.
Yeah, it's a gyrosphere Jurassic Park. I believe it's on Hooked on Pickin. Or my eBay site. I can't remember which one it's on, but yeah, this is Jurassic Park. This will be perfect. So if you don't know, we're selling mystery boxes for kids, and we put some of these toys in there. We have to make a big profit on something large to put it individual on the site, but if you want any of these things potentially in your mystery box, let me know. Is this Animal from Muppets? But it's the baby version.
Kind of looks like that.
Yeah, it's Animal. The guy who plays the crazy drums.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, let's see. Ooh, this is what I was hoping was in here because we blew out of these. Ooh, but they're different. We had the yellow one.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm sorry, I'm laughing at what the back of the box says. You want to see what it says? Does not come with manners. I need to put this sign on my kids sometimes. Right. Does not come with manners. No, they're usually pretty good. So there's that one. We sold the yellow fuzzy one. There's another one. Same one.
Same one,
yeah. So these are going to sell awesome. I don't know what the obsession with these ugly toys are, but hey, I'll take it if they want to buy it. And then, ooh, it's a different one. Cool. Mischievous and misunderstood is what this one says. So those are cool. Those are going to be good money makers for me. Oh, this is cool. All right, I have something cool for Barbies. Look at all the accessories. It's a whole hiking accessory set. Plates, toast, peanut butter,
Got a map.
binoculars, camera, water bottle, canteen, walking stick, fork. This is sweet. Does it come with a little blanket too? Yeah, little sleeping bag. That is cool.
I just want to play with it.
I am. I want to play with it. Aw, look. Okay, I feel like it does something. What does it do? Maybe because it has a little thingy in it.
Tag's still in under
Yeah, it
the
is.
Pull thing.
It's supposed to do peekable, but I don't want to pull the pull thing out because then it'll, the batteries will die. So it's supposed to play peekaboo. So it actually covers its face with the blanket, and then you put it down, and it does peekaboo. That's super cute. I love it. All right. Ooh, more Barbie stuff. This is a great box. Here's another one of the same Barbie we got before. These are going to be fantastic for the mystery boxes. Ooh, here's a different Barbie. She's got a puppy with her, but she's a different one. Self-stick googly eyes. So you can make some crazy crafts. All right, what else we got in here? Nerf! Star Wars! When you're bored, just shoot each other.
There you go.
Just shoot each other.
Main way.
Yes, this is how to solve sibling rivalry right here with a Nerf gun. Here's another frozen ceramic tea set.
That's awesome.
These are awesome.
Those gotta be good.
I know. I'm going to scan them. So watch our second listing video because we will show you where each platform we're going to put everything on so you can get an idea. Oh, look at this. Is perfect. It's a friendship bracelet kit. I got a couple of them in here.
Yeah, great for
Perfect
now.
for the mystery boxes and occupying kids and stuff.
Children.
Yes, this is going to be awesome. So let's see. Okay, we've got some of these for sale on Amazon.com already.
That's a different one.
Is it a different one?
Mm-hmm.
So this is a, so we've got a bunch of different kinds of these. So if you do have a leapfrog set and you want one of these in your mystery box, just let me know. I'll adjust my listing on Amazon and throw this in your mystery box if you're interested in it. So we've got a bunch of different versions of those. Okay. Ooh. Batman Funko Pop. This is a great box.
Cool. I want a special one.
I don't know. All right, here is another piggy bank. Let's see what else. We've got Barbie, another Barbie. Do we have this one? Yeah, I pulled her out already. And then we have, okay, so we got some of these in another box. These are the Game of Thrones mystery boxes. And I actually made a listing with, Tyrion Lannister, whatever his name is, the short guy, I guess, on Game of Thrones. And I did a bundle pack with one of those mystery boxes and him. And I'll probably do another bundle pack where you can buy the two of these at the same price for about $9.99 on Hooked on Pickin. I do not put these in my mystery boxes simply because they're not really appropriate for the younger ages that I sell the mystery box for.
They say 15 plus.
So, yeah, so I'm going to put those individually on Hooked on Pickin'. So if you are interested in buying those, then just then you can just purchase them individually there. So I'll probably sell this as a 2-pack unless I find some more. Here is a Beyblade set. Those are cool. James, my son, when he was younger, used to play with those all the time. So they basically fling that little thing across the way. Oh, here is The Greatest Showman, Bearded Lady. That was a good show. I liked it. Me and the girls went to go see it.
Bearded Lady.
Bearded Lady. Some Funko Pops in there. Man, this is a good one. Okay, cool. Maker handcrafted.
What do you make?
You're making... Is it...
Shower melts?
Shower melts.
Kind of like soap, I guess.
Soap. Yeah, you're creating your own soap.
Well, there you go.
That is cool.
Might actually need that one day.
I know, right? Make your own toilet. If I had a make your own toilet paper kit, that would sell really well. Okay, this is a little bit smushed, but it's still new. It's basically pretend food. Organic milk, ice cream, organic milk. So it's healthy for you, this fake food. Apple juice, butter, mixed vegetables. So just basically a food play set. Here's some more of these. Oh, these are different. Yeah, these are trolls. The other ones we had were a different show or something. But these are dinosaur discoveries.
Yeah, we have the
trolls.
dinosaur one. We didn't have this one.
Okay.
This one is new.
All right. All right, then we have, this is 6 bubbles, 2 figurines. Pop pets? Just can't pop. Yeah, these have been going in mystery boxes. So they're kind of like a slime little pet thingamajiggy. That's the official Chick-a-Pig! You know you need a Chick-a-Pig. These are for sale on Hooked on Pickin. Yep. So if you want them individually, just ask for a Chick-a-Pig. Because you know you need a Chick-a-Pig in your life. They're so squishy and soft. All right. Oh, here is another one of these. Let's see what else we got. What is that? Baby Born Surprise. It's a surprise mystery box, but it's in a washcloth kind of thing.
It's supposed to be that way?
Yeah, there's a bathtub in here, you can tell. It's a bathtub. That'll go probably in a mystery box, but we'll see. Watch that second listing video. Kinetic sand slime. It's not kinetic sand. It's not slime. It's kinetic sand slime. All in one.
Own.
Make your own. Perfect.
Perfect
Crafting kits. I love this box. Oh, look at him. So cute. Try me. Must need new batteries, but it's a fan. It's a frozen fan. Frozen fan. It looks like it lights up too. See, it's got the LED light up strip on it. So it'll be a light up frozen fan. We'll throw some batteries in it, make sure it works. All right. Ooh, erasers. Shaped like dinosaurs. Perfect for all that schoolwork they're doing at home. A cute rattle. Squishy toys rattle. Let's see what else we got. What are these? PJ masks. We got a bunch of purple ones in the last box we got that look like this. But they're basically slime, but from the PJ Masks cartoon. So we got a bunch of those. I'm just going to stack them down here because we do have a bunch in here. A lot of orange ones. What is this? Disney Princess Sparkle Putty.
Sparkle Putty.
Sparkle Putty, otherwise known as slime with glitter in it.
Yeah.
Slime with glitter in it inside of a
Disney's
diamond.
In the slime business now.
They're in the, everybody's in the slime business. Ooh, here's another Batman.
314, I think it's the same as the other one.
Yeah, and another one.
So those are $50.
$50 Funko Pops.
Funko Pops.
Yes. We set these over here. Getting quite the stack. This has got a lot of stuff in it. Oh, look at him. He's so soft and fuzzy. There's another one. Little hedgehog, I think. And a cute little bear. These are going to be great for our mystery boxes. So they're perfect size. And then we got some more of this. Ooh, here's Thomas the Train.
Good old Thomas.
Thomas the Train.
Our son had so much Thomas.
Yes, he
Loved
did.
Thomas.
And now he's not so
And then
little
one day,
anymore.
He just woke up and boom, he was
Yep.
too old for Thomas.
Yep.
Sad day in my life.
I know. What is this? This is a really fancy paintbrush, I think. Maybe. Yeah, it looks like it's a paintbrush of some sort.
Well, they got thrown in the toys.
I don't know, but go with the crafting stuff. All right, metal magnets. Those are neat. Another one of those. Got another leapfrog. My arms aren't long enough. Hold on. I'm gonna tip it all. There. Okay, so we've got some more of these slime from PJ Masks. These I know for sure we're going to put in some mystery boxes. Don't worry, we won't fill your mystery box full of 40 of these. It'll probably just be 1 or 2 depending on how many kids you have and what you request. So you can send me emails if you want specific things that you see, and I will do my best to accommodate. I've got 4 other boxes that full of brand new toys that I still have not yet unboxed that will also be added to the list. And I've got 4 huge totes already full of toys that are going into the mystery boxes. So here's some more orange ones. Let's see. Ooh, more dinosaur erasers. And then these are cool. Look at these. These are just wild animals, monkeys and lions and such. We were actually watching YouTube videos about safaris and like the lions and leopards and elephants chasing down the safari videos. That's what we were watching last night. Here is a sparkly ball with a smiley face in it. Bouncy ball. Washable color glue. Perfect for all that crafting you'll be doing. Aw, little doll outfit for a baby doll. It actually says that it's cute. It's perfectly cute. Let's see what else we got. Okay, we got 2 more orange ones of these slimes. Some more dinosaur. And these are awesome. Okay, what's this? Lip balm, I think. Right? No, it's slime. Don't put this on your lips. It says it's non-toxic, but it's slime. It's a little slime with glitter stars in it. And then these are cool. All right. So we have got Lego minifigures.
Oh, cool.
So they're little people, but you don't know what they are. They're mystery ones. So these will all, yes. So these will probably end up going in our mystery boxes as well. So take a look. That's everything, 81 items. Remember, I paid $129 total, and that includes the shipping, $1.58 per item. And so I'm really excited about, hopefully those Fugglers will sell really well. The Frozen 2 ceramic tea sets probably will go individually, but we're going to do a listing video and see exactly how much we can get for everything on Hooked on Pickin, and we'll be putting mystery boxes up. So if you want to know where to find the items you just saw me unbox, watch that listing video, because I will definitely go through, tell you how much I'm going to make on everything, how much everything's going to cost, and where you can find it. And so if you're looking for something specific, go ahead and do that. But if you want a mystery box, this is the time to buy your kids something to just make it a surprise and some fun things in there for them to play with and be entertained. Like all of this crafting stuff, Nerf guns, Barbies, all that stuff is going to be great stuff to put in those mystery boxes. So I'm super excited about this box and the condition everything is in. I didn't see anything that was in broken condition. Everything was new. So I'm really excited about that. So hopefully it's been fun to see this Bulq.com case unboxing of brand new toys and be looking for these things in the mystery boxes. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Watch more of my videos. I put a video out every single day, so to keep you entertained during these times. And of course, if you'd love to buy a mystery box, the link is in the description below, so just click that button. If you want it for a boy or a girl, you can definitely pick which ones. And if you have specific age ranges, I love an email so that I can know exactly what to put in your box. So thanks so much for watching.